Hi guys, how are you doing? It's been so hot here in Da Nang, Vietnam, and it's been such a difficult time for us all. So I hope you and your family are doing well in this weather. My life has been changing so much in the last couple of years, and I'm so grateful that the universe gave me such a chance to slow down and come back home to my true self, who enjoy every single little things that the nature gave us. As modern people, we are expecting things to happen in a finger snap. However, my lesson learned is that everything takes time. Last year, I planted a butterfly pea flower tree by my bedroom window, and it took a year for the tree to be really blooming this summer. So today I'm making the really nice blue sticky rice for my daughters because they really love it. We need to boil the flowers in water and then soak the rice into the liquid overnight. You can use either a steamer or a rice cooker to cook. Here is my daughter's favorite blue rice. And now we are moving on to my favorite project. Here I'm grinding some amount of alum. Dissolve the alum in a small amount of boiling water. Dilute it in a cool water bath and submerge your damp fabric. Leave it for 8 to 24 hours to achieve deep color shades. After the 24 hours alum bath, now it's time to take the second colorful bath. It's really interesting how the color turns out. When it's wet, it looks purple, but when the fabric are dry, they turn into a really nice shade of pink. I love my natural dye fabric so much that I decided to spend a couple days to make a bag and a pair of pants. Please let me know in the comments below if you would like me to show you how to make them. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and please take care.